Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Teresa.
Yes?
Teresa, write this for me.
What?
Here. Just put this address on here for me.
What is this, Mrs. Abbott? Oh, name? Address? Oh, yes, I can do this. I write addresses on boxes, and look. And look.
Oh. Oscar? Oscar is great. He's...
Oh, hi, Oscar. Hey, Sam.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Hey, girls.
Hi, you two. How are you?
Great.
I'm cold. Let's go inside. You sit on the couch. I want to stand.
Isabel, where's your family?
They're outside.
Sam, let's go outside and see our family.
Oscar? Who lives in your house?
My family?
Who's in your family?
In my house, I live with my mom, dad, grandpa, aunt, uncle, 2 brothers, and 2 sisters.
Hey, Teresa. Look at my phone.
Yeah, I see it.
Hello? Teresa?
What, Sam?
Is this Teresa?
Sam, put the phone away.
Are you 16 years old?
Yes,
When is your birthday?
my birthday is on March 1st. When is your birthday?
My birthday's on June 4th.
Hi, Teresa. How are you? Oh, I'm sad. Where are you? Come to my house.
Sam, stop!
Oh, now you're happy. Yeah. Hey, Isabel. I'm thirsty. Can I have some water, please?
Okay. Go in the kitchen and get water.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, Teresa, when do you go to your job?
I go to my job on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And
Hey, everybody!
Sam, where did you get that?
Closet?
Give it to me, please. Let's go to the kitchen.
Hey kids, I am Mr. Tandy. Isabel, where are we?
We are in the bathroom. This is the toilet.
No, Isabel. We are in the kitchen, and this is a pot.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
oh no! Oscar, let's go. Come on, Sam.
Bye, Isabel.
Bye, Isabel.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you on Monday at school. Bye. What is this? Where am I?
Where am I? Where is Teresa?
Where is Isabel?
Where am I? Where is Teresa?
Where is Isabel?
Come in. Hi, Sam. How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hi, Teresa.
Hi, Sam. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Sit down, Sam. Where is Sam?
Who is in the chair?
Where is Isabel?
This is a glass. Glass.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Where is the glass?
Where is the newspaper?
Where is Teresa?
Teresa, give me the toothpaste, please.
Who has the toothpaste?
Where is the toothpaste?
Where are Sam and Isabel?
Where are we?
What is this?
Where is Teresa?
Where is Isabel?
Where is Sam?
Where is Teresa?
What is that?
What is this?
Isabel, what day is today?
Today is Sunday.
Clean your room, please.
Okay, Mom. When do I clean my room?
What is this? Where is the picture of Isabel's cousins?
Where is the picture of Isabel's aunt?
Who are they? You. Who is this? Who is this?
Who is this?
Who is this?